I believe Milton was a demon that was just defeated with a demon behind it. I had a vision, I had a prophetic word. God spoke to me and said there was a demonic spirit that was stirring. This storm was demonically sent. And I released a word for the saints to pray. And God broke the powers of that storm, I believe, from people praying all across Florida, because it was supposed to destroy and way worse than Hurricane Helen. But I believe because the people prayed, this demonic spirit that you see this face in here was defeated by prayer.